Hey guys, it's Abby. So today is a Monday. I'm actually going to be going on a trip this week, which I'm so excited about. My family and I are going to be going to Universal Studios in Hollywood. I haven't been there in such a long time and I'm so excited. I bought a bunch of pieces for the Harry Potter uniform, or to make the official Harry Potter uniform. I am part of the House Gryffindor. I haven't really done the online quiz test to see which one I necessarily belong to, but I love the colors and I just love Gryffindor and what they stand for, so I did get the uniform. My twin sister also got the same one, and then my younger sister is going to be a Slytherin. Anywho, today is a Monday. A lot of things are happening this week apart from going to that trip this weekend. I'm also going to be starting my first day at the job tomorrow. Today is a holiday. Today is Martin Luther King Day, so my younger sister didn't have school today, so I think we're going to be going to Target because my mom wants to get a really cute sweater or something inspired by Super Mario Bros, because the new Super Mario Bros world is, I think it's finally finished in Universal Studios Hollywood, and so a lot of people are really excited about it. I think they're going to be opening on February 17, I saw. We're going to just be seeing just a few stuff, not probably the whole thing, which I'm a little bit sad about, but the exciting thing is that my family and I are going to be going back to Japan, and we're going to be going to Tokyo in March of this year, which I'm so excited about. So like I told you guys will be seeing some more Japan vlogs, and I'll be going to Universal Studios in Osaka, Japan, which I am so excited about. So you guys will definitely be able to see kind of the original Super Mario world. Anywho, that is coming up, but I was in Japan at the airport. Actually, I did end up getting this really cute My Melody plushie. You guys probably can't see it in this lighting, so I'll probably just show it separately, but it looks like this. She looks adorable. It's like a smaller My Melody, and I want to put that on my bed because I think it really works with that kawaii coquette vibe. And as I told you guys earlier, I'll be starting my first day at my new job tomorrow. I have my own desk, which I'm really excited about, so I definitely want to do a video of decorate my desk with me. I'm not really sure exactly what I want to go with, but these have been my ideas. I love this sort of minimalistic, more Korean aesthetic desk, which I think is so cute, but I do like something kawaii, so I might add something like that. I do have a lot of really cute Sanrio inspired stationery, so I do want to have a mixture of this kind of Korean aesthetic with Sanrio and kind of mix the two, because I feel like I do have quite a bit of stuff that I could potentially use for the desk. But as for my room, because it is my own personal space, I do want it to be very coquette and kawaii and girly, so I'm gonna go ahead and change that. I might change it back to this at some point because I always do that. I used to be quite ashamed before of having two different aesthetics, and I always felt really bad, and I was always like, no, I should stick to one, but this is me. I like both aesthetics, and that's totally fine. It's all about growing, and it's all about accepting different aspects of yourself, and I just love both styles. I love all things kawaii, but also Korean aesthetic, and that's okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put these pillows right here in a plastic bag and then store them somewhere, and then when I decide to go back to it, I will go ahead and do that. Also, I ended up getting an eye infection, so I haven't been able to wear any eyeliner and any mascara, which I'm really sad about, but whatever, this is what we're working with. I think it's still cute and also a very natural makeup look, maybe even more natural than what I typically do, because I don't have any mascara, I don't have any liner, I don't have any eyeshadow or anything like that. I didn't want to touch it or hurt it and cause it to get infected, so it is what it is. Great, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my little My Melody plushie on my bed. So anyway, let's go ahead and do that. So I just put on my glasses because I can't really see the little baby screen that I can see right there, so I know what I'm doing. That's right next to my camera. Anywho, so I have my bag right here. This is pretty much where I put my floral bed sheets that are kind of coquette. So I also do have my bunny plushie that's really big. I think I might replace it with this little guy, although I could probably put them next to each other. It might work with the vibe, but I kind of want to go with one plushie. So yeah, these are my bed covers. This is the one I brought to Japan, which is this one. It's kind of got this sheer color. This is the skirt, and then this is the pillowcase, the pillow cover, and then another pillowcase, and then the actual bed sheets. So I'm probably gonna put maybe those pillows in here. So yeah. Okay, so we finally put the bottom layers, so now you can see the cute skirt down there. I know you guys can see it. I'll probably zoom in a little bit later. I'm gonna tuck this in. So I have my pillow covers. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. I think I'm just gonna stick to one pillow. We'll see though. So unfortunately I can't zip it closed because the zipper broke, unfortunately. But it'll be fine though, because I don't actually want to sleep on this pillow cover because I don't want it to get dirty. When you use pillows and you always recommend you should wash the covers. I don't want to have to wash this cover because I don't want it to get bad or damaged. Sometimes when you wash things, it gets worse. So I'm just gonna use it for decor. So I'm just gonna use it during the day, and then I'll just take out the case and sleep with this pillow. Kind of what I tend to do. I always like to keep one nice pillow for like decor, and that's kind of what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the back because it doesn't have a zipper, and then have this one be the one that shines. Now I do have other plushies, like I told you guys, this big one and this tiny one. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove this sign right here because I realized I don't actually really want it here. Just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and use a pen and put it on my door right here. I'm kind of debating whether I should have another bag because I did used to have another bag. So I might do that. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and do it. So here my side table, as always, I have my little lamp here that I do need to clean up because I think it's a little dusty. And then this little Insta camera that my twin sister let me borrow for decor. And then we also have the tulips here. And then over here we have my pillows. And then this is the plushie I was telling you guys about that I wanted to use instead because I felt like it worked really, really well for this side of the room. And I like to have, like I said, more simplistic, so I think this one plushie is good enough. Maybe I'll get a bigger My Melody plushie when I go back to Japan. We'll see. And then these are the bed covers that are beautiful, guys. I'm obsessed. And then I left the mirror here because I think it's really cute. And over here is my Duffy plushie bag, and then my other pink Cardcaptor Sakura bag with Koi Lakama on it. I think it's super cute. I love it. I love going back to what I had before. Super, super cute. And then lastly, we have the clock that I decided to put back in the middle, which works so well with both my sister's side of the room and mine. See, goes well with the My Melody plushie, which I think is adorable. So this is my outfit for the day. So I'm wearing this really cute top that I got from YESSTYLE. Go ahead and use my code capital CT123 to get 5% off all your orders on YESSTYLE. I did actually link this exact item in this video. You guys can see around here. This was one of my YESSTYLE collaboration videos, and this is one of my favorite pieces of all time. Super coquette, also very, very kawaii. Some you could definitely find in Shibuya 109 or Takeshita Street. I love shopping at YESSTYLE. This isn't like to promote them. I just really genuinely like their clothing because a lot of stuff are very affordable and you can find pieces that you would find in Japan. Japanese brands are super expensive, and to be able to find them for a lot cheaper and things that are almost exactly the same that you could find them in these popular shops, it's just really amazing. So definitely check out YESSTYLE. I'll link their website down below. And then I'm also wearing these really cute jeans that I absolutely love. I got them from Marshalls. If you guys live in the US, you guys know what I'm talking to you guys about. This is more of a kawaii casual look. And then I'm just wearing some white sneakers because today is a casual look. Oh my god, that is so bright. Let me lower the brightness. Okay, so I'm wearing these white sneakers to go for this more cute casual look. Alrighty guys, I'll see you guys in a little bit. We are finally in Ross and we're looking at some stuff. We need to get a shirt for my mom, like a t-shirt. So I'm here searching with my sisters. These shoes are like really popular in Japan, like these boots as well. I saw so many girls in Takeshita Street wearing it. They're like really popular. And this t-shirt as well. It was like a set. But these are 5.5 and I'm size 7, so. Mickey Mouse suitcase, it's so cute. I mean, if it was pink, I'd be in love with it, but it's still so cute. This is so cute. This suitcase is so cute. I'm obsessed with it. I thought this was the same material, but it's not. I'm obsessed with it. I love this sort of like London, like old money style. It's so cute. Let's see what my sister found. These are really cute too though. Sure. These white ones. Because we're going to be going to Japan as a family. My sisters and my family are looking for suitcases. I'm not sure if I'm going to bring the same one I brought with me the first time, but we'll see. If they had this one in this size, I would totally go for it. Karina, what are you looking at? What are you liking so far?
I like the company
really
London Fog.
London Fog is really
If only it was big size, I would get it, but it's tiny. Which I'm sad about.
Yeah, the suitcases are cute. Yeah, they're all pretty small. Maybe they're already taken. These are the t-shirts they have here. They have Hogwarts stuff, but my parents want to do like Super Mario Bros. Style, so. Oh, there's this one. There's a small and a medium. They might like this one. And it's for men, so it'll fit. I think this might work. We'll see if my mom ends up liking it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get that one. There's also Jurassic Park. Really want to do that. But my mom wanted Mario Bros. So Dragon Ball. Yeah, let me see if she likes these ones. This is cute. These are like a really cute shorts and top set. And like cute and like short sleeve shirts. Bunch of really cute stuff. I'm getting ready for the summer. This isn't really my style, but it's still good to look at. They have two. So cute. We have avocado toast. Oh, here the avocado to my toast. My parents have been obsessed with this avocado plushie. I don't know why. And then there's, is this chocolate? White chocolate golf balls. That's really interesting. Cute gummies. XOXO gummies. In such a cute color. I love Valentine's Day because everything is pink. Cherry cotton candy. Heart marshmallows. So cute. Balls. This is a princess puzzle. We don't want 1,000 because they're too hard. There's this Star Wars one. But it's, oh, that's 500. So thank you. Nothing looks that cute though. So we're getting this puzzle. And then we're also getting this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do want to do a video before I actually go to my trip to Universal Studios. So be looking forward to a pack with me video. I'll be vlogging my actual trip to Universal Studios. So I'm so excited. I'm definitely going to go ahead and pack with you guys. So you guys can see exactly what I'm going to be wearing for my trip. Follow me on the official_Abby on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel for more kawaii content. Help me reach 30k subscribers by the end of this year if you can. That would mean so much to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mite kurete arigatou gozaimasu. Bye bye.